Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the Cognitive Assessment Questionnaire template. What is a Cognitive Assessment Questionnaire? Cognitive testing plays a crucial role in evaluating and identifying cognitive impairment, with this questionnaire helping to discover more about a person's cognitive skills, strengths, and weaknesses. It is a set of organised questions meant to test different parts of the brain, like memory, attention, language skills, problem solving, and executive functions. Most of the time, the questionnaire is given as a self-report or informant report measure. Doctors, researchers, and teachers can better understand cognitive functioning, keep track of changes over time, and make choices about interventions or treatments based on accurate information. The questionnaire should have questions about things such as following directions, whether the individual has trouble paying attention, focusing, understanding words, or solving problems. It may also take into account the person's or the informant's subjective experiences. As a result, it is commonly used within therapy and counselling sessions. Here's how to use a cognitive assessment questionnaire. The first step is to fill in the name and date and then read the instructions listed. The client will then need to rate all statements accordingly. Finally, calculate the total score to be integrated within treatment. To view a sample template of the Cognitive Assessment Questionnaire, head on over to carepatron.com where you can download and access the questionnaire for free. You can also access the questionnaire through the Carepatron community platform. Simply type in the keywords, find the note, and edit however you would like. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe to Carepatron to view more healthcare videos.